你这个什么颜色？黑色啊？
对。
可以用做毛笔字吗？
不可以。
什么呢？
什么？
什么呢？这个不可以。
你很烦的，这个。
哇，这个 Jeff 西北你笑 ，disturb me never mind，disturb my painter。哇，不要
Bro. This Jeff, honestly, Johnny already said don't spray. We already put the car in the oven for a reason. He still take the spray can, he spray. What the hell is wrong with him?
Jeff, today a lot of people complain about you.
Why? Bahan say today come here and spray car. So I thought you spray can lah. You never emphasize what lah. Botak also use spray can to spray his car. So wrong man? Welcome back to another episode of W114 Restoration. So last week we did some bodyworks on car. So we did some welding, locking and finally sanding. So what are we doing today?
We will be respraying the car today. We are here back again at Divine Splash, as you can see Johnny. So Johnny, why don't you run us through the process of respraying the car?
So basically today we will start spraying of the car, colors and lacquers. Then after that, follow on near to, I can say 80% of the completion of the work. So basically, we should just pop into the oven and take a look.
Can bro, can. Let's
Okay.
go.
Microwave right?
Microwave.
Bro, that one oven bro.
Hey, here hot there hotter. Basically, we have prepped the car. Then after that, the car is now able to start the spray because just another wipe down because of we come in and after that got some dust, some debris or what. So we will do the wipe down. Then after that to proceed on the spray. Now we are in the oven, very hot over
Quite
here.
hot lah bro.
Yep. Current temperature is around 35 to 38 degrees Celsius inside. It's a normal enclosed area lah.
So bro, you know I've seen some people they respray the car also anyhow, sometimes got no oven also. So what's the purpose of the oven bro?
Okay, oven is just basically a place to minimize the dust. Because eventually if the car is outside, in the open area, there will be dust, foam and dust everywhere. So in the enclosed area, it minimized. I cannot say dust free, cannot say 100% dust free, it's impossible. Because whenever the door is open, there's air, there's breathing, then when we have clothes and we flex our clothes, all dust will be everywhere and dust is very hard to be seen.
Understand bro?
Like for example, you have a pail of water, then you will start to see debris all over in the very clear water. It's the same concept. So in the oven, we minimize. We cannot say 100%, but minimize the dust area. Then after that, we will do a wipe down. Then of course, spray painting inside.
Understand. So before we begin with the respraying, I would like to give a huge shout out to PPG, Paintmart and Divine Splash. This project wouldn't be easy without them, and it's really a blessing to have these people on board on this project. So Johnny, can you tell me more about PPG?
Okay, PPG is a manufacturer for the paint for automotive industries. Manufacturers like, for example, Lambos and Ferrari. When they pop their bonnet, you see PPG paint with the logo and all the color codes. And PPG have their own lab and their own inventions, and they create automotive paints and other kinds of coating like maybe glass, all this. They are very professional in it. Paintmart is one of the PPG distributor that I am liaising with, and of course get the sponsorship for this car and this project to work this out together.
Awesome bro. So let's start with the repainting bro.
Yeah, can, sure.
Let's go. So we are back here again at Divine Splash. We left the car here yesterday for Johnny to respray the car, and we're here really early lah because we want to avoid the crowd, and the car has been done according to Johnny. So I feel like we should go and take a look right now, and I'm actually honestly very excited lah because I feel like it's not every day that you respray a car. And oh my god, look at that bro. Wow.
You have to say good morning to the uncle.
Morning, uncle. Oh yeah, wow, man.
I think the Mexican rim makes it look quite nice, but
But we're doing something else to the rim. We're doing something else to the rim. This will be gone soon, but wow. There's still a lot of work to be done in the interior lah. They need to do the top coat and they still need to spray in a bit. But the exterior is done and it looks stunning lah.
your seals also you ordered already, right?
Everything is done, bro. It's just a matter of
The seals here, all the
all
chrome.
these things will be fitted in soon. I've already ordered the parts will be arriving soon.
So all these things that you guys see currently, that is all in a mess, right?
Yeah.
Johnny will tidy up for us lah.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. And you can really see lah, just with the lacquer from PPG, the car already looks very shiny and like glossy. But I think Johnny is still gonna polish the car.
Yeah, still need to send down some
Imperfections ah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Johnny, for the experience and the guidance lah, I would say.
Yeah, thank you.
It's been a real fun
Yeah, we try
experience.
to work together lah.
No lah, there will be more projects together for sure.
Yeah, sure,
You
sure,
guys will see Johnny Bulldozer on the episode more and more lah. So stay tuned to see what colour I've chose for my interior, and I hope to see you guys soon. Stay safe, stay happy, and bro, what happened, bro?
Bye bye.
And bye bye. Yeah, they are like 50 years old. I think.